Nikki D on the beat.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Joshua Howard, aka Young Pride, and I'm finna do Thuggin Noise by ASAP Rocky. So I hope y'all like it. Follow me on Instagram at PROD_RKE. Twitter at _Joshua Howard. Find me on Facebook at Joshua Howard. So yeah. Okay. Shoot that, shoot that Glock 9. Jiggy do, I'm bout mine. All the mark in my watch shine. Already know that my hotline is hot. Yes, on fire. Already know that RKE is getting higher. You can call us weak. Got that trusty steed. Like Bullseye from Toy Story. That was 2 beasts. That was 3-5. You said you give a land rolling 7 on Monopoly dice. Ain't gonna tell you twice. That I'm cool as ice. Never ever do the beats ever get sacrificed. Cause I spit it, rip it, kill it on another instrumental. Going hard with the pencil. Spit game writing like I need to see the dental. God, that wasn't accidental. Yeah. Pride, where I've been thugging with my team. Swift, where he been thugging with his team. Pride, where I've been thugging with my team. Swift, where he been thugging with his team.